ama-performances kaTeko Modise bewaphuwa ngempela. Wastruggle kakhulu ku-tournament. Passing decision yakhe nje, i-influence yakhe lapha ku-midfielder ayibeyingabonakali ngempela. Wafreeza, abanye bavele bathi wafreeza uTeko Modise during the tournament. After ama-expectations vele amakhulu ukuthi uTeko Modise uzokwazi ukuthi ayithwale ngempela iBafana Bafana. Ucoach-ke at the time uCarlos Alberto Pereira wayemthemba ngempela uTeko Modise, kodwa-ke wagcina engasamdlalisanga kakhulu ngoba uTeko Modise waqala imatch against Uruguay nane-Mexico, but-ke bamsubstitute noma bamreplace early second half ko-2 lama-game lawo. Azange adlale-ke negame yokugcina against France. Lokho kushoyo noma ukubonisayo ukuthi uTeko Modise ama-performances wakhe bewalow ngempela, beyangekho influential for iBafana Bafana. Wadisappoint abantu abaningi ngoba bekuwuye umdlali ovelile noma obelapha phambili ukuthi uzoshayina kakhulu ku-FIFA World Cup, yabo, njengoba iBafana Bafana or iSouth Africa beyihostile, yabo. uTeko Modise-ke wageja ama-opportunities, scoring opportunities nje afew laphana ku-World Cup. Enkulu kakhulu esikhumbulayo ile ye-Mexico ukuthi wathola ithuba ngempela ukuthi akore, abe yi-hero ye-country, but-ke wahluleka, yabo. Adding to i-frustration-ke around his performance. Ngicabanga ukuthi lapho ukugeja kwakhe against Mexico yinto maybe yambulala, nanokuthi i-pressure ibe too much, ne-confidence yakhe ibe low, yabo. So ukudlalela ku-World Cup ngathi kwam-affecta kakhulu. uTeko Modise kuma-interviews kwakhuluma ngendaba yaku-World Cup ukuthi-ke wayehlushwa ukungazithembi ku-World Cup during the tournament, yabo. So uTeko Modise, but-ke up to this day even ama-struggles we-World Cup uModise bayamhlonipha ngempela ebholeni lase-South Africa, nanokuthi ube ne-successful career ngempela, ewina laphana ama-titles noma ama-trophies ne-Mamelodi Sundowns before a-retire laphana ngo-2019. Kodwa-ke i-campaign yakhe noma ukudlala kwakhe ku-2020 FIFA World Cup kuyokhunjulwa nje njenge-disappointment, nanokuthi-ke maningi kakhulu amathemba wayebekwe laphana kuTeko Modise ukuthi akwazi ngempela ukuyimela ilokhunjani iBafana Bafana heading to the tournament, yabo. But-ke it was a disappointing performance from one of standout stars, or someone that was supposed to be a standout star for iBafana Bafana. uTeko Modise-ke udume ngegama elithi uThe General. I-legacy yakhe-ke nje ukuthi is one of the most talented footballers eSouth Africa bake balibona, yabo. So uTeko Modise ama-moments of brilliance wakhe maningi kakhulu, but-ke nge-World Cup, yabona indaba ye-World Cup impela yambulala. But mekhuluma kuma-interviews uthi ziningi inkinga bekadila nazo personally, nanokuthi-ke vele confidence beyingekho, nanokuthi bekazi-isolate from abantu abaningi. uTeko Modise bekaphilela yedwa isikhathi esiningi, yabo. So ziningi izinto zaku-personal life yakhe bezingavelanga ku-media heading to the tournament, nanokuthi-ke around yena vele zikhona izinto vele bezim-affecta, yabo. So before uTeko Modise ukufeyila kwakhe ku-2010 FIFA World Cup aqalanga lapho. So iform yakhe nje uTeko Modise yehla before even i-World Cup iqala, but still balokhunjani babemthemba ukuthi mhlampe uzovuka ngempela nge-World Cup, yabo. So ngathi azange akwazi ukudlala kahle nokufitha ku-system ngempela yalo coach lo waseBrazil wayecoach at the time. Naye-ke njengoba ngishilo ekuqaleni ukuthi wavuma ukuthi kwakunzima kakhulu ku-FIFA World Cup for yena, ngathi wafreeza, yabo. So it is sad, nanokuthi beyinkulu kakhulu i-pressure for uTeko Modise heading to i-World Cup. Kwakwenziwa nama-video kuthiwa uyadlisa, like waphenduka nje angazi bantu bam-attack-a ngempela cause babe-expecte likhulu. But-ke ifeyila ye-World Cup akusi uTeko Modise kuphela nje ama-South African footballers baningi abantu, but uTeko Modise phela he was one of the standout stars ebhekiwe ukuthi ngempela uzokwazi ukuliphakamisa iqembu lesizwe, yabo. But-ke overall mawubheka lento leyo, uTeko Modise udlalela ku-PSL and then uzodlala nama-world class players. Yes, he's expected ukuthi ashine, but sikhumbule ukuthi akekho develop to the standard lesi sifana nase-Europe nako-Brazil, yabo. Mezodlala nalabantu laba bekuzoba nzima kakhulu, bekangazi ukuthi kuzoba nzima kangaka, but-ke ukudlala nalabantu laba ba-highly skilled, highly trained bako-Europe nako-South America kunzima bafowethu yabo. You have to be inside the field with them ubone ukuthi kunzima kangakanani. Even i-South Africa yastruggle against i-Mexico. I-Mexico they're not super powerhouse in terms of i-world football, but bahlezi bekhona ku-FIFA World Cup yabo, bayaqualifya nanokuthi laphana e-North America-ke ba-respected as one of the football nations, and bayithatha personal kakhulu ibhola laphana e-Mexico yabo. So yeah man, yeah, Teko Modise, what an opportunity, what a missed opportunity for wena ukuthi uzi-announce ku-World Football, because ukwenza kahle kwaTeko Modise laphana ku-World Cup bekuzomthatha ngempela kumbeke le emathimini amakhulu. Danko bafowethu.